Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a matte finishing powder that promises long wear without feeling heavy, today's product might just catch your eye. We're taking a closer look at the KIKO Milano Unlimited Long-Lasting Matte Loose Powder in shade 02 Neutral, designed to help set makeup, control shine, and provide a smooth, matte finish for normal skin types. This loose powder comes in a finely milled texture, which is meant to blend effortlessly into the skin without looking cakey. It's marketed as long-lasting, aiming to keep your foundation and concealer in place throughout the day while minimizing excess oil. The neutral shade is designed to suit a range of skin tones, providing a natural matte effect without altering your base color. In my own testing, incorporating it into my routine was straightforward. I applied it with a fluffy brush over foundation in both my morning and evening makeup routines. The powder felt lightweight on the skin, didn't dry out my complexion, and gave a subtle blur effect that softened fine lines and pores. I also tried it under different lighting and humidity conditions. It held up well throughout the day, controlling shine without needing constant touch-ups. One thing I appreciated is how buildable the coverage is. You can apply a light layer for a natural matte finish, or layer it for a more polished look without it turning cakey. On the flip side, I did notice that when over-applied, it can emphasize dry patches, so blending thoroughly is key. Pros definitely include its smooth texture, lightweight feel, and lasting shine control. The packaging is practical for everyday use, though I wish it had a slightly more secure sifter to prevent excess powder spilling. In terms of cons, as mentioned, over-application can highlight dryness, and the shade range may not cover very fair or deep skin tones perfectly. Considering the price point, I find it offers solid value for those looking for a reliable matte finishing powder. It's competitive with other high street powders in terms of texture and wear, and while there are cheaper alternatives, this one stands out for its silky finish and minimal effort application. Compared to similar powders like NYX's Matte Loose Finishing Powder or Rimmel Stay Matte, KIKO Milano holds up well for longevity and the neutral tone that doesn't alter your foundation's color. The build quality is standard, but effective. Sturdy plastic packaging, secure lid, and a fine sifter that controls product flow. I haven't had to reach out to customer service, but KIKO Milano has a solid reputation for responsive support if needed. If you're looking for budget-friendly alternatives, NYX or Rimmel offer similar matte powders, though they may require a bit more blending to achieve the same seamless finish. However, if you're seeking a product that balances ease of use, long wear, and a smooth matte look, this one definitely holds its ground. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. All in all, KIKO Milano Unlimited Long-Lasting Matte Loose Powder provides a reliable, lightweight matte finish that works well for normal skin types. It delivers on longevity, subtle pore blurring, and shine control, with only minor caveats for over-application or very specific skin tones. If matte control and a soft, natural finish are what you need, this powder is worth trying. Thank you so much for watching. The link to purchase is in the comments and description box below. If you've tried this powder, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.